Scooby-Doo, where are you?
Scooby-Doo!
Scooby, that's not your cousin.
Huh?
That's your reflection.
That's me, all right. Uh-oh.
Zoinks! It's old Pumpkin Puss.
What?
He's coming after us.
Yeah.
Yikes! Look, we wrapped old Pumpkin Puss like a salami, Scoob.
We did?
Correction, it's only a dressmaker's dummy.
Let's make it from me. It's Scooby-Doo!
Okay, fellas, okay. Now let's get out of here. Zoinks! It's him!
I want a head!
Excuse me.
Give me your head!
Sorry.
Then I'll take yours.
Like my head? Oh, no, you don't want this. Bad material. Sloppy workmanship. Look. Hasn't worked since the day I got it. Always loose. No, you'd be very unhappy with this head. Zoinks!
No luck upstairs. We looked all through the room.
The headless horse, I mean the horseless,
Headless Horseman, upstairs.
in the sewing room. We caught him.
Nope.
Terrific. Come on, everybody.
There he is, old Pumpkinhead. Oh, he got away.
The fog's lifting. He'll be here any second.
The Headless Horseman.
Zoinks, here he comes.
Attaboy, Scooby!
Stay with him.
I'm on my way, Scooby.
Oh, no! They're taking off.
Zoinks! We're flying! Look out, Scoob! Like he's after us! Scooby, come back! Right, the plane's going! Going!
Here he is, Sheriff.
And like, let's get this phony Elwood mask off and see who this Headless Horseman really is.
Let go of my face.
Cousin Elwood.
Cousin Elwood?
Nope.